Story 4. One day in the pride of youth, I had traveled hard and arrived perfectly exhausted in the evening at the foot of an acclivity. Now, for some, pride becomes more of a thing of people being older. Oh, I've accomplished so much in my life, and it tends to keep them from getting stuff done. But a weak old man who had likewise been following the caravan came and asked me why I was sleeping. This not being the place for it, I replied, how am I to travel, having lost the use of my feet? He said, hast thou not heard that it is better to walk gently and to halt now and then than to run and become exhausted? O thou who desirest to reach the station, take my advice and learn patience. An Arab horse gallops twice in a race. A camel ambles gently night and day.